All right, guys, welcome once again. So today, we're talking about sets. Set is used to store in multiple items in a single variable, and set is one of the 4 inbuilt data types in Python used to store collections of data, with the other 3 known as the list, the tuple, and the dictionary, with all having different qualities and usage. So a list is a collection that is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and allows for no duplicate members. So let's go straight to it. So an example of this is this set. This set is equals to so we're using the curly bracket. So so you have the apple, banana, and the cherry. So when I print this, so let's see our answer for this. So you see it works. So now our set are always unordered, so you cannot be sure in what order the item will appear. So you don't know where it are to appear. So you see that when I print it, I was normally use apple, banana, and cherry, but when you print it out, it become apple, cherry, and banana. So it's unordered, so you don't know how it will appear. It does not follow the order which you have created it to be on your when defining and creating your set. So now sets are also so just to explain more better, unordered means that the item in a set do not have a defined order, and that the set items can appear in different orders every time you use them and can not be referred to by index or a key. So take note, that's the main key difference that has distinctly differentiate them from its other peers. That's the list, the tuple, and then the dictionary. All right, so unchangeable. Set items are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created. So once you have created the set, you cannot change its item, but you can remove and add new one. You can add new one, can remove it, but you cannot change its item. So, and then duplication are not allowed. It does not allow for an item for a value to be duplicated. So a set cannot have 2 items with the same value. So let's see what we mean by this. So now if I have this, for instance, and I created another one that's banana, so and then I'm going to print this out. Let's see what we have. So regardless of having 2 bananas, it's bringing out as an output only 1 banana. So it shows the fact that it does not allow for duplication. And I want us to notice that values such as true and 1 are considered the same value in sets and are treated as duplicates. Okay, so let us see how does this mean. So I'm going to say this set 2 is equals to our curly brackets, then we have our apple, then we have banana. Okay, so we have then the cherry, then we have true 1 2. So I want to print this out. So you see that it's saying 1 and true actually of this in his eyes that they have the same value, so it will allow for that kind of duplication. So let's see if that's true. So I'm going to run this out now. So see, it's actually true. So you see it's true. You can't find the one there anymore. So you're just saying true. I see 2 and the other values that is contained in our set. So you see 1 and true actually are of the same value to a set. And then 0 and false are also the same thing. So if I'm going to print this out, I'm going to say false. I say false, and then this one is what, 0, and this is 1. So let's print this out and let's see what happens. So you see, so I print it out, what, 0, false has replaced 0. So you see they have the same value and it won't allow for the duplication of values. So you're going to see false coming out, 0 won't come out, and other ones will come out properly. So yeah, now to get the length of a set, it's simple. So to get length of the set, I would length, put it a length, length, then let's clear it, everything you have here, and run it. So you see the first one is 3, so it's counting it, in different order. So you say 0, 1, 2, 3, and the other one is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's counting from 0 to, so it's not counting it the proper order. So that's why you're having this line up different. You're having it omitted with 1. So that means starting from 0 to the actual final number, 0, not from 1 but from 0. That's for a set. So now we have a set actually allows for any data types. So you can allow for Boolean string, integer in it. So just like as we have seen already. So you have set 1 is equals to what, curly brackets, your apple, the banana. Yeah, set 2, we have 1 and 4. Set 3, we have true and false. So yeah, okay. And then you can also allow for the for different data sets, different data types in a set. So we have our apple, we have the false, we have 1. So it allows for that also. Okay, so now let's get the, so if I want to print, so I'll print set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. So let's print this. I'll clear all this everything here. So I'll print it. So you see that is working. So now if I'm going to get now the data type of my set, so I would say, let's print type any of them. Let's say set 1. So set 1 also is a tuple. So let's see the type of it. So you see the tuple is set. Sorry. So you see what is set class set. Okay. Yep. So now for set construction, we have also how that you have it in this format. It says construction. So if I want to do that now, so it's simple. Okay, so I have it now. So this set construct also have a set, then put in the curly brackets, in the round brackets. Okay, we have a male, we have 1. All right, so once I do that and I print in, right, this is, so once I did that, okay, set constructor. So once I do that, let's see, and I run it. So this is it. So you see, actually is working. So here we have it for our set. See you in the next class. Bye for now.